I am Summer Suhail from Harmony Schools. These were the materials used in the experiment. These are the procedures of the experiment. Dry ice is nothing but raw carbon dioxide, CO2, because dry ice is nothing but CO2. When the temperature rises and it melts, it turns directly into the CO2 gas form. Dry ice changes directly to gaseous state without becoming a liquid. This process is called sublimation. When this happens in water, it creates tiny CO2 bubbles. Dry ice sublimates in the air, but the process occurs more quickly in water than in the air. When dry ice is placed in water, as in this experiment, it sublimes rapidly since the water is so much warmer than the dry ice. The solution appears to boil or bubble. As the dry ice sublimes the gaseous CO2, some of the gas bubbles quickly turn into gas or dissolve in the water. A heavy white cloud of condensed water vapor forms above the liquid because the coldness is escaping out of the CO2 gas. As the CO2 gas dissolves in the water, the solution becomes more acidic, more from the production of carbonic acid, H2CO3, a weak acid, according to the following equation. The indicators change to their acidic forms as the pH levels of the solutions drop, producing the observed color changes. The time required for the changes to occur depends on the initial pH of the solution, the transition point of the indicator, and how much dry ice was added to the solution. Fire is only possible with oxygen presence. When I had put the oxygen, fire, and carbon dioxide gas into the beaker, the wooden splint burns out. The top of the beaker takes all the oxygen. Carbon dioxide is such a heavy gas that it puts out the smoke. I concluded that since each beaker contained an acid-base indicator, the indicators were responsible for the color change. As they are different colors in an acid, they are in a base. The original colors in the beakers were due to the ammonia, which is a base. The other chemical was dry ice, which is a solid carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide reacted with the water to produce carbonic acid, which made the solutions acidic and therefore caused the color to change. Thanks for watching Harmony Schools.